In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Lloyds Bank credit card online 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check your eligibility, compare your options, complete the full application, and submit it confidently. First, head to the official Lloyds Bank credit cards page. Make sure you're on the genuine site before you proceed. Once you're there, look for their eligibility checker, often called One Check. This is the best place to start because it helps you understand what you're likely to be approved for without affecting your credit score. Click into One Check and complete the short form. You'll be asked for your address history for the last 3 years, your employment status, your annual income, and details of your main bank account. Take your time and enter information carefully. For income, include your regular annual amount before tax and only add extras if they're reliable. For address history, aim for a full 3-year timeline with no gaps. Consistency matters here, so make sure your details match what's on your credit files wherever possible. When you submit this form, Lloyds will run a soft credit check. This doesn't impact your score, and it won't be visible to other lenders. Based on this, you'll see which cards you're likely to be approved for, along with an estimated credit limit. Treat this as guidance, not a guarantee, as the final decision happens later. Next, compare the cards you're eligible for and choose the one that fits your needs. Pay close attention to the representative, APR, any fees, and introductory rates on purchases or balance transfers. Representative APR is an example rate that most successful applicants receive, but your actual rate may differ depending on your profile. Think about how you plan to use the card and focus on the features that matter most to you. Once you've picked the card, proceed to the full application. Follow the on-screen prompts, answer any additional questions, and read and accept the account terms and conditions. Submitting the full application will trigger a hard credit check. This will be recorded on your credit file and may have a short-term impact on your score, so only continue when you're ready. Before you send it, review everything for accuracy. Double-check names, addresses, income, and any financial commitments to reduce delays. When you're happy, click Submit to send your application to Lloyds Bank for final assessment. You may receive a quick decision, or the bank might contact you if they need more details. That's the full online process from eligibility check to submission. Follow these steps carefully.